2025 Mercedes-AMG GT4. Power, practicality, and presence. Overview. For those captivated by the sleek, aggressive styling of the Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe but who need more practicality than a two-door with a cramped back seat can offer, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT4 presents an ideal solution. While technically distinct from the GT Coupe, the sedan is based on the E-Class platform, while the coupe is related to the SL Roadster. The four-door GT maintains the elegant fastback silhouette that defines the GT family. With the addition of rear doors, the GT sedan becomes far more usable for passengers, though its sloping four-door coupe roofline compromises rear headroom slightly. Offered in three main variants, GT43, GT53, and GT63, the lineup spans from refined power to trackworthy muscle. Both the GT43 and GT53 utilize a responsive turbocharged inline-six, while the GT63 and GT63 S boast a twin-turbo V8 that, in its most powerful form, delivers 630 horsepower. An additional plug-in hybrid version, the GT63 S E-Performance, ups the ante even further, producing a combined output of 831 horsepower along with limited electric-only driving capability. With such range and refinement, the GT4 door carves out its own niche in the high-performance luxury segment, offering serious driving thrills with the added practicality of a four-door layout. What's new for 2025? Following a minor refresh in 2024, the 2025 model year brings subtle updates, including new exterior paint colors from Mercedes' manufacturer line of premium finishes. No significant mechanical or design overhauls have been made. Pricing and recommended model. The 2025 AMG GT4 door starts at $102,250 and can climb to $200,100 depending on the model and options. For most buyers, the GT53 strikes a compelling balance between performance and value. Its 429 horsepower inline-six delivers strong acceleration and refined power delivery, while options like the warmth and comfort package, heated front seats, armrests, and steering wheel, and the driver assistance package, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, enhance usability and safety. However, performance enthusiasts with a bigger budget might gravitate toward the GT63 S for its extreme acceleration and track-level dynamics. Engine, transmission, and performance. Both the GT43 and GT53 share a 3.0-liter inline-six engine equipped with a turbocharger, electric supercharger, intercooler, and integrated electric motor. This configuration eliminates turbo lag by using the electric motor and supercharger to maintain smooth and immediate torque delivery. In the GT53, this system produces 429 horsepower, ensuring snappy acceleration and dynamic cornering, complemented by a firm but agile suspension. Stepping up to the GT63 models introduces a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, an engineering marvel featuring dry-sump lubrication, direct injection, and twin turbochargers mounted within the engine's V. Output ranges from 577 horsepower in the GT63 to 630 horsepower in the GT63 S. Paired with a dual-clutch 9-speed automatic transmission and adaptive air suspension. The most powerful version, the GT63 S E-Performance, adds a rear-mounted electric motor powered by a compact battery to deliver up to 831 horsepower. This motor can produce up to 201 horsepower for short bursts, or 94 horsepower continuously, routed through a 2-speed transmission, enabling incredible performance and electric boost without delay. Acceleration and 0 to 60 miles per hour times. According to testing, the GT53 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, while the GT63 S achieves it in a blistering 2.6 seconds, outpacing even the Porsche Panamera Turbo. The plug-in e-performance hybrid model is officially rated at 2.9 seconds from 0 to 62 miles per hour, but real-world testing saw it hit 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Range, charging, and battery. The GT63 S e-performance plug-in hybrid includes a 5 kilowatt-hour battery that powers the rear electric motor. Charging is handled via a 3.7 kW onboard AC charger. Though designed for performance rather than long-range driving, the battery is rated for just 1 mile of pure electric range by the EPA. In practice, however, it has shown up to 8 miles of electric driving when fully charged. Fuel economy. Unsurprisingly, given its performance focus, the AMG GT Sedan isn't especially fuel efficient, but its numbers are respectable. The GT43 and GT53 models are rated at 19 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway, and a GT53 returned 27 miles per gallon in real-world highway testing. The GT63 and GT63 S models earn 1521 mpg city/highway, while the EPA has not yet provided figures for the e-performance version. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The interior of the AMG GT Sedan borrows elements from the Mercedes CLS, but adds performance-focused features and design. A prominent center console, seemingly inspired by the AMG GT Coupe, divides the cabin with a sporty, cockpit-like layout. While visually striking, some controls may take time to master. Seating is limited to 4 passengers, and aggressively bolstered sports seats come standard, offering firm yet supportive comfort. Details such as a flat-bottomed AMG steering wheel, aluminum trim, and a fully digital instrument cluster further emphasize the performance character. The vehicle features 12.7 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats upright, and its hatchback design allows for added flexibility when the seats are folded, though not quite as spacious as rivals like the Porsche Panamera. Infotainment and connectivity. A 12.3-inch infotainment display is the centerpiece of the GT's tech suite. While it is capable and feature-rich, its interface can be complex to navigate. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, and built-in navigation. An optional rear seat touchscreen is available, and passengers benefit from 3 USB ports up front and 2 in the rear, ensuring ample device connectivity. Safety and driver assistance features. Mercedes equips the AMG GT Sedan with a wide array of advanced safety systems. Standard features include automatic high beams, parking sensors, the pre-safe system, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Optional upgrades include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, active steering assist, and semi-autonomous driving capability. Key safety highlights. Automated emergency braking, standard. Available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous mode. For crash test results, refer to official ratings from the NHTSA and IIHS. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Like other Mercedes-Benz models, the AMG GT Sedan comes with a 4-year/50,000-mile limited and powertrain warranty. While this coverage matches offerings from brands like BMW and Porsche, Mercedes does not include complimentary scheduled maintenance, which BMW provides as standard. Warranty summary. Limited warranty, 4 years/50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty, 4 years/50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.